How to download DeepSeek. This video will show you how to download and install the DeepSeek app on your Windows PC or any laptop computer you have. So whatever it is, the first step is to go to deepseek.com. Here you'll want to be on Google Chrome when you do this because it will make it a lot easier. So what you're going to want to do is go to the top right hand corner where you see the three little dots on Google Chrome. There you want to go down to Cast, Save and Share. Then go across to Install Page in App. So what that's going to do is going to bring up this top bit here where you want to go ahead and click on Install. There it should pop up the new tab that opens right here. You then should see at the bottom of the screen, you should see the DeepSeek logo by itself. There's a web browser down there. So what you're going to want to do with that, with the app there, the DeepSeek little one there, you want to drag that to wherever you want it. Then go ahead and double click it there, and then you will see DeepSeek open as its app on your Windows PC, computer, or any laptop there. You can go ahead and log in and use it as you wish. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.